Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Very good morning to all. Our project title is Mining Suspicious Tax Evasion Groups in Big Data. We want to see the abstract now, and the abstract is there is evidence that an increasing number of enterprises plot together to evade tax in an unperceived way. These issues challenges the effectiveness of traditional data mining based tax evasion detection methods. To address this problem, we first investigate the classical tax evasion cases and employ a graph-based method to characterize the property by that describes two suspicious relationships trailed with the same antecedent node behind an interest affiliated transaction. Next, we proposed a colored network-based model for characterizing economic behaviors, social relationships, and the interest affiliated transactions between taxpayers and generating a taxpayer interest interactive network. In this abstract, we have to see that to detecting the suspicious tax evasion method by using a colored network based model. The characters are just like a mining process, and there's also in the domain of big data with the help of the algorithm is called as a colored network based model. This is the flow diagram of mining suspicious tax evasion detection methods by using this process. First of all, in the server process, we have to upload the datasets, just like that. Income tax datasets. In the income tax datasets, what are the process means? That is a ID name and ID salary, what type of salary, and the average ratio. These are the datasets by the income tax. And the auditor can be logged in, and also pre-processing the datasets by auditor, and thus the detect the suspicious groups of processing datasets and implement the color network based model algorithm. In the color network based model algorithm, we have to identify the tax evasion identification methods. In the tax evasion identification methods, the evasion of groups of tax method can also be implemented, and thus finally the output of high accuracy and efficiency can be determined by the to see the TAO. TAO means tax administrative officer. In this flow diagram, is as simple as this. The server can upload the datasets, and the datasets can be logged in by the auditor, and also your datasets also pre-processing datasets, and also your detection of the suspicious groups. In these spaces, the color network based algorithm can also be detect the tax evasion identification and also occur the high accuracy and efficiency. This is the coding of the mining suspicious groups. In this product, we have to develop a code in a Hadoop process, just like a backend. In this process, first of all, we have to run the process, and this is the program of this process, and these are this Java library, JRE, just like that library process. And thus we have to run this by using the home method. Just click on home as run Hadoop, just like that. Define choosing existing system, just like VM server, and you got to click the finish button. This is the home page of the mining suspicious tax evasion groups in big data. In this place, we have to first of all click this finish button. This is the register login page. You have to click register and login, just like that. You have to click register means you have to. This is a mining suspicious tax evasion groups in data. This is the load data, just like that. You have to select a button, and you also click the desktop, and this is the data sets, and here you have to process income tax rate data.txt. Just like that, you click open, and you have to the data set loaded successfully. These are the name, employee, and you have to log in the page by using click auditor name. Auditor name is Saravana, auditor ID tax comma 21, password is Saravana, auditor PAN number is 1751. Thus you have to click in by using the login successful. This is the pre-process data, pre-process successful. This is the true information detected. Name, employee ID, and tax burden rate, and actual tax rate, and quick ratio, and assistant net profit margin, cost of salary ratio, and sales financial ratio. Just like that, we have to click the next. Means this is the choose option button. We have to choose by tax audit officer and auditor, and name of application transaction debit amount. Just like that, you have to click the button. Means wiki means this is the how much we have to develop your. This is a debit account and a credit account. Just like that. Then we have to procedure means audit checking. Just like that, credential process. This is a TO login form. TO means tax administrative officer. Tax administrative officer means they were just like the ID is 123 TO1. Username is Bala, and password also Bala. PAN number is 1751, and date of corporation is 1992. Just like you have to proceed to check button. In the method, tax deduction method. In this method, you have to sham means you have to check this button. Just like the order from the income tax department. Employee ID, tax burden rate, and cost of salary ratio finally are used to implement to selection. Just like that, if you want to see in graph format means you have to click the button accuracy and efficiency, associate, traditional data mining, color network based model, and normal. Thank you.